No one told me. I'm really, really sorry. Should I start all over again, all right? I start
Yeah,
over
yeah,
again.
yeah, yeah.
All right. So
Yes,
now,
yes, absolutely.
from our monthly time frame, I can see price is bullish, right? 1 month time frame, price is bullish. Looking this, you can see price is bullish, right? And where's our monthly target? Is high over here, right? That's our monthly target. Now, since you've already seen from the monthly time frame that price is bullish and price created with a high here. If you wait, see this structure here. Look at this structure. What? Higher highs, higher low, higher high, what? Higher low. So what do you think is going to come up again? What? Higher high, right? Understand structure. Now you go to your weekly time frame. Now, what you should do in your weekly time frame is look for where price is reacting from. Now, this is where price was reacting from. You mark it out, right? You mark it out. Now you don't have to go to the past and see what price did. When price got here, what the price do. This is the support here. This is the resistance. You go to the past. This is support, right? Support, 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 right? Now what? When price got there, it's now what? A resistance. Now, many of you might ask that, how do you know that price is going to go here? Now, I told you that our traders was who trade was off reactions. So, new place where price is reacting from, we mark it out and we go to our lower time period to look for our structure. Now, we know that price is reacting from this zone now. I marked it out. You go to like a 1 hour time frame, your 4 hours, you look for the structure you do trade. You go to daily time frame. Now, when price reached here, price rejected, right? Now, what do you think price is going to do? Are you going to clear out what? These trend line liquidities. These are where money are being kept. These are what trend line liquidities. You mark it out. Now, how do you know it's a trend line liquidity? Let me remove this. How do you know it's a trend line liquidity? See, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, what? Higher low. Now, in a scenario whereby price is making serious was higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. There are liquidity under them. These are liquidities. Are you guys following? These are liquidities. When price is making what? Lower low and lower high. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. They are also called what? They are liquidity over here. Now, if one side of liquidity has been taken out, price want to take out what? The other side of liquidity. Now, if both sides of liquidity have not yet been taken out, that means there's no movement in the market. What I'm trying to say now, we have buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity, right? Now, once price takes out the buy side liquidity, it's going to clear out what the sell side liquidity, right? And that what is happening right here. Now we're saying what tons of what liquidity, and price is going to what sweep all this liquidity, then tap from what a clean structure and what continue the buy. Are you guys following? Price is going to tap from a clean structure and what follow the buy. Now what you don't need to do, the monthly time frame, you mark your target. Okay, price is bullish from the monthly time frame. Weekly time frame, where price is rejecting from. Are you guys following? Where price is rejecting from, you mark it out where price is rejecting from. Daily time frame is where you look for like your structure. Daily time frame, you can look for your structure from daily time frame, 4 hours time frame, 2 hours time frame. You get that is hard to find the directional bias. Now you go to what 4 hours time frame. Now you guys can see now what I was talking about, higher highs and higher lows. You can see clearly over here that these are what liquidities. Now most people that was buying G, you got stopped at. Even I even got stopped out from this zone here. I got stopped out from this zone here. All these ones are what liquidities. Liquidity does what? Liquidity fuels the market. I guys know liquidity what fuels the market. Now, when price was rejecting from this zone now, you go to your 45 minutes time frame, your any time frame at all, and look for the structure you do trade. Now, how I got this entry here when I saw price reacting from that zone here was from what? The 15 minutes time frame. I know I told you guys I trade SLP, structure liquidity point of interest. Now, when price was rejecting from that zone here now, what was here? Was this not an order block? Was this not a market structure shift to the downside? Was this not what our inducement, the first pullback created the inducement? Now, why is this inducement valid now? Because he sold 50% of the initial move he did before. Now, what am I targeting now? Draw of liquidity. Liquidity fools the market. Liquidity should where your TP is supposed to be. Liquidity was fuse the market. I knew price was going to sell very well and clear those liquidity, but what I can't catch all the moves in the market. What I had to do was take my profit from where liquidity. This is liquidity here. And this zone here is liquidity. This zone where is liquidity. Now you cut your entry from here now, right? Your SA where above this zone here. Target where this. Can't you see how clean it is now, right? Now, since you know that price is bullish, we can also catch sales because what price was reacting from where price was rejecting. This is where price was rejecting from. We're actually not trade was off reaction. So where price is reacting from, we'll mark it out to go to our lower time frame to look for what our structure. Now, this is what a 4 hours liquidity, and market is going to obviously sweep all this liquidity. Any buyer is going to be fucking stopped out. Any buyers are going to what? Stopped out. Now, where is our next point of interest for us to buy? This is not another block here. This is not a break of structure. This is not the inducements. So everything just about you knowing where price is reacting from, where is price heading towards to, understand what structure, understand what liquidities, then you'll be good to go. I guys follow, then you'll be good to just understand structure. Monthly time frame is for what? Know where price is heading to. You can see right, we can see that clearly that price is what bullish, right? Now where's our target now? This high. But we can't just keep buying all the way to this high. Why? Because price want to what? Clear out liquidities before what the impulsive move to the upside. 1 week time frame is look for what is look for what reactions where price is currently reacting from. I never knew that price was reacting from here, but when you're supposed to do as a trader that trades reactions, but I trader which was off reactions, you mark it out. Okay, this is where price is reacting from, right? Okay, good. Then you go to your lower time frame, look for the structure you do trade from your lower time frame. Then target for the next draw of liquidity. Target what the next draw of liquidity. So you using time frame, you get international buyers from either the daily, either the weekly, but let it be the higher time frame. It's not much is the week is the day, monthly time frame. It can be the weekly time frame, the daily time frame. All you just need to just know is what okay, where is price going to now? Okay, price is bullish now, right? From the weekly time frame. Now, where is price reacting from? Reacting from this zone here. You don't know where price is reacting from. You mark it out. Then you now go to the past and see what happened in the past. Here you can see what it supports, right? A resistance. This is a support. This is a resistance. You now slide to the way to the back, the past, and see what price did. Let's see. Is this not in support? Is this not in support? Is this not in support? So why should I with off reactions? Don't understand directional bias and then you're good to go. No matter the time frames, and this will help you to reduce what? You being stopped out from the market. You being stopped out from the market. A lot of people are saying GJ is going to GJ is bearish. No. It's reacting. In order for price to go up, price has to clear out liquidities first. Take out what liquidities, take out what early buyers. We cannot expect price to go to moving like this all the way to its target. No. Price has to do what? Make sure so higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Right? Take out liquidities. Then what? start going back up. Now, all these things that price creating now are like trend line liquidities. And no how though must be what cleared. Now, if you have a trend line liquidity like this now, and then let's say you have a 4 hours order block, you saw a 4 hours inducement, right? And then you know that price is bullish. What are you supposed to do? Once you see your 4 hours MSS, 4 hours inducement, you take the buy. Where should your TP be? The nearest draw of liquidity. Your TP should be where? The next draw of liquidity. Yeah. Do you guys get? Are you guys following? Are you guys following? You guys can't see my chat. But I don't show the chat. Please, can you guys see my chat? Just send me a text on the box, the message box. Can you guys see my chat?
Yes, 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 yes. Yes.
Do you guys understand what I just said just now? Or do you guys want me to go to start again? Eh? Do you guys understand what I just said just now?